Hello, this is Haley. This is for last week's enhancement. I recorded a video last week that showed that the password would update in the database, but then updating the account information such as the first name, last name, and email, those would not update on the database. But I want to demonstrate today that it is working. So I'm going to come here to my account. I'm going to log in as the administrator. So notice here with the email address, it's 336. I'll be making a change here to show that it is working. But as of right now, 2 3s and 1 6. Excellent, so I'm logged in. If I click on update your information, I'll come here to this first form and I'm going to change the email address. So I'm going to add 2 6s instead of just the 1. So we have 2 3s and 2 6s. I'll hit update account and it says that it has been updated. It says thank you for updating your account information. And then if I were to log out and log back in using the changed email address, so 2 3s and 2 6s. Excellent, and I can log in this way as well. So everything is updating the way that it's supposed to, and it changes the account information that's in the database. Thank you.